Hi there. I wanted to let you know about a new app that I developed using AI. I'll be honest, I don't know how to code, but I know how to prompt the AI to get what I want. But this is a scale trainer for brass players, including B flat trumpet, trombone, euphonium, tuba, and French horn. So this is a scale trainer. Let me show it to you, and I'll show you how to use it and show you where to download it. Here we go. So here's the software. It's just um, an HTML file, which means that you just open it up in your browser. So if you use Google, that's what I've used. That probably will work the best. It should work in any of them. If it doesn't, let me know and I'll adjust it so it will work for you, whatever problems there might be. But anyway, this is a scale trainer, and you can come up here to the thing and pick what instrument you want. I'm just going to use trumpet for now. When you first start it, it'll play a pitch for you so you know what pitch it is here. If you don't know what it sounds like, or you don't know, if you're a beginner and don't know if you're playing the right note, you can just hit play scale and it'll play it for you in the right octave and everything. Okay, so that's a good way to do it. You can start the scale by doing that. So you can pick what octave you want. So if you want to do a low C scale, or if you want to go up an octave, you can do that. And it will adjust octaves depending on what key you're playing in. So I can go up an octave higher than that. So when you guys want to practice your scales up there, feel free to. If you can do it, that's awesome. So anyway, you can do that. Let's say I switch to the key of B flat. Okay, it switched to that octave, so you can always switch it up here too high, but you can adjust it to whatever octave you need to here. You can also do 2 octaves if you need to. And so what else? We have start mic. This will actually detect whether you're playing the right note. Let me switch it. Well, yeah, let me play this here real quick. Now this will not work if you are trying to do this from another, like, well, I've noticed that when I give it to my students, if they try to play it from the link that I sent them, it won't use the mic. You've got to have the HTML file on your hard drive for this to work. So I just click Start Mic, and I just click on Allow this time, or Allow every time. It gives me a first pitch, so I know what it sounds like before I start it. And then if I just play it, now it's going to give me the note names down here, and I can toggle this to where it shows me the fingerings if you're wondering what the fingerings are. And it'll also show me which notes are flat or sharp in the scale. Now you can turn all that off and just use the key signature if you want, and you can even turn the highlight off so that way you read it like you would normal music. So it's a progressive thing. So if you're learning a brand new scale and you don't know it at all, you can start by showing everything like this, and it's going to show you all the highlighted notes or the flat or sharp notes. If you start getting used to that, you can turn that off so it's all black notes. You can also, if you get used to the fingerings, you can turn that off and start playing just with the note names. And then if you want to just use the key signature. So as you get better at it, you kind of get to where you're memorizing more and more of it. And then eventually you can, if you do it enough, you'll be able to do it from memory. So, and that's the goal, is try to memorize your scales. That's all there is to it. You've got all these different buttons here to work through them. Let me play this so you can see what it does. Okay, it tells you how many notes you got right. So it'll tell you what note, especially for trumpet, It'll tell you what note you're playing, and it's transposed here. This is the concert pitch note. So if I play a C, so C4 there and B flat here. So that's what that's showing. And that's all there is to it. It's got every key in here, all the majors keys, but I have all the natural minors, harmonic minors, and melodic minor scales in here. Anyway, hope you have fun with it. So to download this, all you need to do is go over to my website, and I'll put a link to that in the description below, and you can just click on it and it'll go right to it. So once you get there, just click on Music Tools. You'll see the brass scale trainer here on this page, and you just click on the title or the image there, and it'll take you right here, and you can use this to order it, and it's free. You just click on it and you'll be able to download it. Put it on your hard drive somewhere, remember where it is. I usually just keep mine on my desktop, and I just double click on it, and it should open up into your default browser. So the browser I use is Google, and that's what I use to design all of these on. So if you're using a different browser, it should work on there. The things that I have found that might not work are the microphone settings. Certain browsers might have trouble with that. So if you have trouble downloading it, just let me know. Let me know, and I'll see if I can design it for the browser that you're using. Just let me know what browser you're using. Okay, but that's all you need to do. I appreciate it. Feel free to consider donating for the cause. It would help me out. I can spend time developing a lot of these. I have a lot of ideas that I'm working on, but I hope you enjoy it, and happy learning.